Let's be creative, let's be innovative. No. Welcome to Kids Animation, and today we are making hot chocolate with marshmallows. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to press that icon there. And let's get started. So we will need 2 spoons of sugar. And then we will need a big spoon of cocoa powder. And you can use any brand. We got local brand. So let's put it in. Then we'll need some milk. And let it be hot. So don't do yourself the fire thing, or else you can burn your hand. Please call adult to do this. And when it's boiling, you can you can take it off. Then put it in the cup. Never pour yourself, or else you can burn your hand. So call adult, okay, to pour it and mix it well until it's so tasty. And never touch it, or else it will burn your hand too. Now we're going to put these marshmallows. These marshmallows are so cool. We got them so good. It has jelly inside. I love that. This one. It's so cool. So I cannot open it, and there I saw there was a cut, so I just pulled it from there and it was open. Drop it. And let's have another one. And then another one. So I took 3. You can put a lot of. It looks so tasty. I just want to eat it now. If you like it, give a thumbs up and bye.